A baby fills a place in your heart you never knew was empty. It reinvents your world for you. The feeling of carrying within you a little soul is magnificent. The moment a baby is born, a mother is born too. Being pregnant can often be an uncomfortable and trying time, but there can be moments when being pregnant can feel so magical and thrilling that you never want it to end. One thing is for sure, there is no experience in life like it, and there is no way out of it except through it. Come, let us with Gyno Gyan capture the joys and conquer the pitfalls of these 9 memorable months. Most of you expectant moms will always find something to worry about, especially if it is the first trimester and particularly in your maiden pregnancies. Topping the list all is the fear of having a miscarriage or of causing harm to your unborn baby. Fortunately, most of you end up stressing unnecessarily. Most pregnancies carry on uneventfully and happily to term. You will be visited by various kinds of discomforts during pregnancy. Some fleeting, some permanent, some obvious, some subtle. Pregnancy is a time of great physical and emotional changes for the woman, culminating in a wide variety of discomforts occurring at various stages. Everything from the size of the baby to the speed at which your heartbeats will transform over these 9 months, leading to childbirth. खाने का मन नहीं, उल्टी जैसा हो रहा है ना, आमी काज करते पारबो ना, आमी खुबाय क्लांतो, मने तो निंदरज नथी आवती. I have been running for nature's call every second. साडे कपड़े जूते फिटी नहीं होते, पाल्यातून खाली उतरलो असा वाटतंय. Do you find yourself experiencing one or all of the above discomforts? Every pregnancy is unique, so don't wait and ponder if you are not experiencing all of these discomforts or you have a new addition to the list. Let us now discuss a few of the discomforts out of the inexhaustible list. Number 1. Headache. Pregnancy can bring with it headaches, loads of them, sometimes tension headaches, migraine headaches, sinus headaches. Main culprit, the hormones it is, yes, you guessed it right. Other triggers include fatigue, tension, blood sugar drop, physical or emotional stress, nasal congestion, overeating, or a combination of any or all of these. So how to prevent these headaches? Number 1, whatever be the cause for these headaches, the bad news is that most of the medicines you used to pop in before is a no-no. 2, reduce your stress levels. Relax, try yoga, get enough sleep, not less, not more. Avoid noises to keep headaches at bay and always carry a high energy bar with you. Number 3, avoid overcrowded, unventilated and stuffy places. 4, avoid your continuous hours on the mobile and laptops. If headaches find their way up anyways, try rest, sleep, steam inhalations, massage, saline sprays. If nothing works, check with your gynecologist and do not take any medicine without a prescription. Number 2, back pain. The aches and pains of pregnancy are not meant to make you miserable, but that's what they ultimately end up doing. They are the side effects of the notorious pregnancy hormones acting on all the joints of the body to prepare the body for that momentous moment when the baby is going to be born. 1. Sit erect. Sitting puts more stress on your spine than almost any other activity, so it pays to do it right. Comfortable chairs with back cushion, arm and foot rests make life much easier. Number 2. Try not to stand too long. If you work on your feet, keep one foot on a low stool to take some pressure off your lower back. 3. Avoid lifting heavy weights. But if you must, first stabilize yourself with a wide stance, bend at your knees and not at the waist, and finally lift with your arms and legs, not your back. 4. Wear the right shoes. Try a chunky 2-inch heel or a low wedge heel or flats with a good arch to support your body in proper alignment. Sleep right. Make yourself comfortable with pillows. Turn while getting out of bed instead of swinging up. 6. Alternate hot and cold therapy to the back. 7. Simple back strengthening exercises. Number 3. Mood swings. Do you find yourself sobbing, laughing, forgetting, or angry all within few minutes? 1 minute you are thrilled about becoming mother, and the other minute you're freaking out about being mother. You are simply experiencing the dramatic mood swings of pregnancy. Not to worry, you are a passenger on the Pregnancy Hormone Express. Just relax, buckle up your seatbelts and hang on. These emotional highs and lows are part and parcel of your pregnancy course. But fortunately, they are not completely out of your control. How to find some relief? Number 1. First and foremost, take it into your stride. Number 2. Discover ways to turn your downs into ups. When you're in the dumps, do something that makes you feel good. An hour of sleep, a movie, some music, a visit to the parlor, or a romantic dinner for two and the belly. 3. Share your feelings with your partner. Number 4. Don't forget to carry a snack with you, as a fall in your blood sugar can also accelerate your mood swing. If they are getting too frequent or too intense, it is always a good choice to speak to your doctor. In conclusion, we can say that your body is going to go through several changes as pregnancy has its ways with you. But the biggest change is a slow and beautiful transformation of you from being a woman to being a mother. Congratulations! If you have any questions about pregnancy or anything gynecological, feel free to call me to the rescue by leaving a comment below or subscribing to this stream of endless gyno gyan. Thank you.